So on today's video, I'm going to share with you my 4-step process that I use to get French content onto partner websites such as Canadian Tire, Walmart, Home Depot, Best Buy, just to name a few. But before you start the journey, you're going to need a good video editor. The video editor that I use is Adobe After Effects because it gives me a lot of versatility post-production. Now you can use any video editor, whether it be Final Cut Pro or something free or paid, whatever you're comfortable with. So you have your video editor. Step 1 involves getting the video files. This can be either in RAW format or multi-track format. If you don't have the files in those formats and they're just one video, that requires multiple other steps, which I'm not going to get into in today's video. But assuming you have this format, you're ready for step 2. Step 2 involves transcription and translation. I use Rev.com. I find Rev.com super easy to use and super inexpensive and so quick. I use it for transcriptions with timestamps and translation. And I can usually get my file within a day. So after you have your file ready to go, you go to Voices.com. Voices.com is another website that I find super easy to use. You go there, you call the specialist, they'll walk you through getting a voice artist to do your voiceover. You can sample multiple different voiceovers, and when you're ready, you start the process. Now me personally, I go with multiple videos. I use the same voice artist so I can drop the average cost of my video. So your voiceover is done. The final step involves compilation. This is using your video editor, putting your voiceover in, compiling it in the format required by your partner. When you're done, you can send it off to them. So those were the 4 steps involved in getting French content onto your retailer partner websites. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop me a line, and I hope to see you soon.